Did you watch any cartoon?
Yeah, at night after dinner, I watch for 30 minutes.
Oh, which cartoon did you watch?
Like Peppa Pig.
Oh, that's good. Hi, Nobed, how are you today?
I'm fine and dandy, and you?
I'm great. So today, we are going to talk about yesterday. I want to know how did you pass your yesterday? What did you do? Okay, so let's talk about it.
Yeah.
Okay, so my first question is, how did you start your morning? What time?
I got up at 5 a.m. Then I had my fajr salad. Then I went to the beach with my father and played football there.
Oh, it's great.
Then I went to a restaurant and then I had like breakfast.
Fantastic. You had a fantastic beginning of the day. Okay, so you didn't go to school, you stayed home. My question is, how did you pass your school time?
Oh, that okay. I studied and completed my homework, and mom helped me there too.
Good. Okay, so let's talk about the evening, right? So, did you play with your friends? Did you go outside to play, or did you stay at home, watch cartoon? What did you do in the evening?
I played with my friends in the evening, and then I had my Maghrib salad. Then I studied again.
Oh, fine, not bad. Playing outside is actually good. Okay, so did you complete your homework?
Yeah, I completed more homeworks that I was saving.
Okay, so who helped you to do your homework?
Mom and dad, both of them helped me.
Okay, I
And
know.
then my dad went to chamber.
Oh, okay. So, did you watch any cartoon?
Yeah, at night after dinner, I watched for 30 minutes.
Oh, which cartoon did you watch?
Like Peppa Pig.
Oh, that's good. So, would you please tell me what time you went to bed?
I went to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Not very early. Good job. Okay, it's fine. Okay,